In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OneDrive in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through the essential steps so you can start using this powerful cloud storage tool to organize, share, and secure your important files online. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account. This is your gateway to accessing OneDrive, so simply navigate to the Microsoft account page and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one to use OneDrive. Once you're logged in, locate the app launcher, which is typically represented by a grid icon near the top of the page. Click on it and you'll see a list of available Microsoft services. From this list, select OneDrive and you'll be directed to your OneDrive homepage. Here, you can start to explore its features and organize your digital files. On the homepage, you'll find a navigation pane on the left side. Clicking on My Files allows you to view all your stored documents and folders. This is your primary workspace where you can create new folders, organize your documents, and access everything you've saved. To manage photos, simply click on the Photos option. This gives you a consolidated view of all your images stored in OneDrive, making it easy to find and organize them by date or album. Next, explore the Shared section. Here, you can view files that others have shared with you, and also those you've decided to share with others. This feature is great for collaborative projects, as it ensures everyone has access to the latest document versions. The recycle bin is your next stop. It functions similarly to a trash folder, where you can find and restore files that you've mistakenly deleted. Keep in mind that files are stored here temporarily, so make sure to restore any important ones before they're permanently deleted. If you want to upload files and folders from your computer to OneDrive, simply use the Upload feature. This allows you to store files securely in the cloud, freeing up space on your local device and ensuring access from anywhere. Sharing files is also straightforward. You can share via email or by generating a shareable link. This way, your colleagues and friends can easily access and collaborate on the documents you've chosen to share. Additionally, OneDrive integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft apps. You can link apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint to store and edit files directly from OneDrive. This integration enhances productivity as you can work on files without needing to switch between platforms. Lastly, for better accessibility, consider syncing OneDrive to your computer. This lets you access your files offline, and any changes made will automatically update across your devices when you reconnect to the internet. And that's it. With these steps, you can efficiently use OneDrive to organize, secure, and share your digital life. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.